Good evening to all. Today I discuss about stars that spread the knowledge of the Bible in the blue sky. Man has been trying to conquer cosmos, started gazing at the stars while lying in the backyard to decipher the secrets of the universe has been a continuous search for him. The superpowers are in control of airspace. The photographs taken from Voyager in 1989 and the Hubble telescope has strengthened man's resolution. The next 10 years will see important findings. These experiments are the collaborative efforts of many nations. These astronomical relations were not even imagined 10 years ago. Such confrontation encourages cooperation seems to be the new slogan of the superpowers, which is welcome sign. Indian science also is progressive. Our scientists have launched certain satellites like Aryabhatta. He was the one of the early scientists who lived in Patna. He propounded the theory that stars do not move and they appear to move because of the revolution of the earth. This theory was tenable till 17th century. Scientists have been unable to find a solution to the format of the cosmos, galaxies and the invisible forces. Science has been unable to find out the cohering force of the universe. If the astronomers had cared to look into the Bible, they got the answers. But they neglected Bible. Jawaharlal Nehru wrote his daughter Indira Gandhi that Bible came to North India a century immediately after the death of Christ. This was 12th April 1932. Which shows that Christianity entered in India in AD 133. However, Indians believed Aryabhatta but not the Bible, which is an insult to us today. The letter to Jude in 13th verse mentions wandering stars, which should make today's astronomical community bend its head in shame. Edmund Halley was the first astronomer in the world who traced the movement of the stars. He concentrated on one single star. This star comes very close to Earth once every 75 years and goes back, and the scientific community ever since named this as Halley's Comet. He was the first man to predict the movement of the stars. The world did not believe Bible. Who can deny Lord Jesus? The time before him has come to be known as BC, and the time after him has come to be known as AD. Matthew 2nd chapter 2, 9, 10 verses. And asked, where is the one who has been born King of the Jews? We saw his star in the east and have come to worship him. After they had heard the king, they went on their way, and the star they had seen in the east went ahead of them until it stopped over the place where the child was. When they saw the star, they were overjoyed. Bible continues to be insulted. Astronomy continues to deny the movement of the stars predicted in the Bible. Dear children of God, astronomy, which told us that stars do not move, agreed today that they move, and we were duped. Among people who duped us were Darwin and Aryabhatta. The Bible predicted what is being discovered today by sophisticated instruments like supercomputers and the Hubble telescope 1930 years ago. Now, tell me, who is great? Our Bible or science? Our God or scientists? Our God is great. Our Bible is great. Thank you for giving this opportunity and attention. Stay home, stay safe.